Hello, my dear kids. How are you all? Good now? Today we will go for shorting. Before that, let's begin with prayer. All of you join your hands, close your eyes, get ready for school prayer reading. Our Father in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Your kingdom come, your will be done as earth as on in heaven. Give us today our daily bread. Forgive us our sins as we forgive those who sin against us. Do not bring us to the time of test, but deliver us from evil. Thank you. Open your eyes, put your hands down. Let's go for shorting. Let's start shorting. See, these are some objects I am having, like pebbles, big one and small one, beads, plastic beads and wooden beads, pulses I am having of different colors, crayons, coins. We have to short it out. I have some glass bowls. And what do we need? We need some pegs. जहाँ कपड़े सुखाते हैं ना, those pegs. So let's start with one peg. First one. We have to short one by one. With whom we will start? We will start with crayons. Yes, you have to take this peg and hold the crayon. Hold the crayon with this peg and put it in a bowl or anything you can take. Small cups you can take. Another one. Short it out. Short it out. See, I have taken out all the crayons. Now, which one we are going to do? We have to take out the pebbles. Big one first. Short out the pebbles. Big one. See, all my pebbles are ready in the bowl. Next, which one? Let's take pulses. Small pulses are there. Huh? Let's take pulses. One by one. I am going to put it here. Pulses. Hold it and put it here. Hold it and put it here. Coins. See, I have done it. I have sorted out the coins, pulses, to different color pulses, small and big pebbles and crayon. This is our, and remaining one is our beads. You have to do this activity. You have to say your name and you have to sort out the things. You can use, if you don't have pegs, you can use your mother's clutches. You can use your mother's clutches. See? Can I hold it? Yes, I can. So you can use your mother's clutcher also if you don't have pegs. This is your activity. You have to send me. You have to say your name and you have to send me this. You can take anything, small, big, leaves and crayons, pencils. You have to sort out. Parents, आप सबको मिला देना है और बच्चों को बोलना है use a peg or clutcher to sort them out. Dear students, today when I opened my door, see what I saw? Oh my God, what a mess! टिगी ने किया है मेरा रूम का ये हाल. टिगी ने किया है. टिगी को तो पता है ना आपको. सारे बुक्स, नोटबुक्स ऑन द फ्लोर, बेड के ऊपर लीव्स और ऑन द पिलो. सी, क्लोथ्स आर देयर. उफ, नाउ आई हैव टू sort them out. Let's start with the clothes. Now I am taking the clothes which were on the pillow and I have to put them in the rack. If you have shelf, you can put them in the shelf. Now see, I have done it. They were on the rack. Now the turn of notebooks. Now I am taking the notebooks which were on the floor, on the bed. Now I am taking the notebooks and trying to keep them in proper place. One notebook is on the floor. I am taking it and I have done it. Now I am keeping it in proper place. Books are also there. See, books are also here and there. I am collecting them. टिगी पढ़ रहा था और बुक्स को इधर उधर रख दिया. हाँ, खेल रहा था बट बुक्स के साथ नहीं खेलते हैं. नेक्स्ट, कंपास बॉक्स. देखो टिगी का कंपास बॉक्स कैसे गिरा है. नाउ आई एम कलेक्टिंग हिज पेंसिल. आप लोग भी इधर उधर मत डालो अपना पेंसिल, इरेजर, स्केल. Keep them in your compass box and cover it up so that it will not fall here and there. Keep it in proper place. Next, what I am going to do? Here see, this is Tiggy's craft things. Tiggy has made it. Tiggy ने बनाया है. So I am keeping it on his study table. Now what to do? Now I will collect the color boxes. One box is here, one box is here. I am taking the color boxes and और उनको साइज कर रही हूँ. साइज करके रखेंगे तो सुंदर दिखेगा. स्टडी टेबल पे रखना है इसको भी. We have to keep it on study table ताकि टिगी जब ढूंढे तो उसे मिल जाए. और क्या करना है? हाँ, सी माई बैंगल्स. ओ माई गॉड टिगी, तुम मेरे बैंगल्स के साथ नहीं खेलोगे बिकॉज दे आर मेड ऑफ ग्लासेस. कांच के बने होते हैं, पैर में चुभ जाएंगे. इधर उधर नहीं फेंकना है. अगर तुम लोग भी कभी मम्मा का बैंगल्स देखोगे तो टूटा हुआ बैंगल्स देखोगे तो पूरा उसको डस्टबिन में डाल देना बिकॉज अच्छा नहीं है, पैर में घुस जाएंगे. सी हैंगर इज हियर. आई एम कलेक्टिंग द हैंगर एंड पुटिंग इट ऑन द रैक पे रख रही हूँ. हैंगर का जगह रैक में है. नेक्स्ट क्या करना है हमको? हाँ, कैन यू सी द कोम. इसे भी नीचे डाल दिया था. टिकी ऐसा नहीं करते हैं. इसे भी हम मिरर के पास रख देंगे. इश, मेरा लिपस्टिक एंड नेल पॉलिश. माई लिपस्टिक एंड नेल पॉलिश. टिकी कभी भी टीचर के नेल पॉलिश और लिपस्टिक के साथ नहीं खेलते हैं. अब तुम लोग भी यू विल ऑल्सो नेवर प्ले. वो मम्मा का होता है पर गर्ल्स यू लाइक टू यूज़ लिपस्टिक, नेल पॉलिश. आई नो सबको अच्छा लगता है, गर्ल्स को अच्छा लगता है, पर उसे सही जगह पर रखो ताकि कोई प्रॉब्लम ना हो. नाउ सी माई रूम इज़ रेडी. इट इज़ क्लीन. माई फ्लोर इज़ क्लीन. माई बेड इज़ क्लीन. It looks so nice. Do you know, my kids? Leaves are also of different size. Some are big, some are very small, some are broad, some are long. वैसे fruits, vegetables, all are of different sizes, different shapes and different colors. So you have to know how to sort them out. Thank you. आज मैंने जो एक्टिविटी दिया है आप लोगों को करके भेजना है. थैंक यू माय डियर किड्स.